Yo, what's up? Sway boys take on camping.
Yeah.
What's up, vlog? My hair's long. What's up, vlog? Like that. Hey, thanks. Yeah. Look at Sway style camping. Oh, yeah. Excited, buddy? Are you excited, buddy?
Don't touch me, bitch!
Hey.
Yeah, what's up? I'm single.
Okay. What's up, ladies? Single man here. Wait, move your arms. I can't see the RB. No, move them. Get out. Holy! Oh, I needed a cover. They wanted to cover my arm real quick. They just had this food for us. It's pretty sick though. There's just bunk up there. This turns into a bed. That's a bed. Bathroom, all that good stuff. I'm sleeping in a tent in the middle of that field out there. That's where I'm gonna be. I want the true experience. I have 2 bars of service. Kind of nice.
Damn, what is that, bro?
Blake's getting the pump in. He's way bigger than you.
I don't know about all that.
Just got here. Oh. Hey. What have you been up to? Oh, okay.
Dude, tell your phone I win. Easy. No, you didn't, bro.
Easy dubs.
No. See?
Gotta go.
Now, bitch, you know I ain't one to gossip, so you ain't hear this from me. Let's be clear on that. But why did Shaquana call my phone and tell me that Malik said that Trayvon said he don't like you? Now, I ain't trying to get nothing started between y'all, but if I was you, I would smack that bitch.
Hey, guys. We're on our way to the water. Hey. I'm laying on Blake's subwoofer.
I didn't know you were back there.
On his subs. Oh, you didn't know? Oh, okay. I like how Kip got a better seat than me. Where is he? Where is he? Show him.
Don't touch me, bitch!
How hype are we? Yeah! Where are we going? I don't know. Where do we go? Bryce. Classic. Go you!
Is anyone else's pee burn?
Is that SCD? Is that SCD? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, I'm on camera. Look at this. So in the summer we jump, but I guess it's super shallow right now.
This guy get that string off of that.
Blake's getting in a fight with the lifeguard. Look at my legs, ready? Aha. Blake, are you gonna jump?
I'm gonna jump, so I'm not a puss.
I know, the lifeguard's telling you not to, huh? Yeah, puss. The lifeguard said, don't jump. And Blake was like, but if I do jump, you'll help me because you're a lifeguard. And the lifeguard was like, no. And Blake was like, well, that's your job. And he was like, also my job is to tell you guys not to, and your job is to tell you to listen.
Thank you. You get hurt jumping in here, help is a long ways away. We have to get a helicopter here to get you out.
Yeah, no.
What?
If they're telling you not to jump, I don't want you to jump. Do you understand me? I do not want you to jump, but the professionals are saying, don't jump.
It's getting pretty serious now. I'm just on the top rock, just chilling. I feel like the king of the world right now. Oh, I'm kind of eating this lighting up.
It's deep enough.
Yeah?
You guys are gonna break your friend's leg for a bit?
We're gonna test with the stick.
With the stick. Is it good? Oh, you're fine.
Oh, you're good. You're deep.
That's the vibe.
Sheesh! Gerard.
Sheesh! You're going swimming.
Sheesh! Blake, look back. Sheesh! Guys, I swear this is my first time picking up my phone. I've been whittling for the past couple hours. So I made this from these things. Let's see the difference. Yeah. What are we gonna do later? Maybe some hide and go seek in the woods?
Hide and go seek in the dark.
It's not hide and go seek, it's manhunt. We're not little kids, dude. Well, manhunt fugitive action? Well, I've never played manhunt.
I'll explain it when we're
with spears?
Yeah, you kill each other.
Bitch, if you want a burger, eat a burger. If you want a french fry. You want a burger? Explodes. Oh! Does anyone know how to do this? You know how to do this? We're in business. Boss. You heard it here. Oh, what the heck? You guys can't see it, but we're in. You look like such a dad right now. You look like a dad that came back from the military right now. Where's your Camaro at? Wait. Got the cheese and everything. They're cooked pretty nice. I got the grill marks and everything. You can't see it because of the cheese. What would you rate it?
Dude, I mean, let me
Wait,
try
take
it.
a bite. Take a bite. Let me see the inside. It's not bad.
Fire.
Fire?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Nice and sloppy, just how I like it.
It's got a sloppy
Great
review.
texture, though.
Good texture.
Feel that.
This is why they call me the party animal.
Yeah. Beer pong.
I'm overshooting. This is why they call me the party animal.
Oh.
Oh my god. All right, one more. This is why they call me the party animal. Yeah, see that?
You think that would, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not.
Guys, stop throwing rocks.
Jesus!
Ah!
Oh, lame-os. Oh. You are... Don't touch my knife.
I'm making it better. Realistically, guys.
Whoa!
Oh!
Man, right there. Hey. You're gonna fuck this up, you're gonna fuck it up.
Does that matter?
No, go. Guys, our fire's kind of dead. Let's put some of the wood I just split. No!
Man, with the axe. All right, if you get hit by the axe, you lose.
That's life. Some guy came up to us with a flashlight and he's like, y'all okay? We're a community over here. We just like to protect everybody. We're like, yeah.
We vibing. What's up, Johnny?
What up, Noah?
Hey, Johnny, what was that scenario we were talking about earlier?
What else did I think that's funny?
That was pretty funny. No, Johnny and I were just talking about vibing with bears.
So I was like,
What if they put a little bop in it? What do you mean?
imagine if the bear came in, said a mom, and I said, hey.
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 The bears just start vibing with us and you said,
What do you do? What about you?
hey.
They're like in a line of
And they come in.
what?
What's up, puss? Jesus.
Oh,
Alright, so currently we're just vibing. We can't find Blake.
You can't even see me.
Blake dipped.
Blake, we can't find Blake. I really don't. Do you?
swear to God. What if Blake
That thing, he dressed up as a bear.
This is how that Harvard started.
He's dressed up as a bear right now.
You're kidding me.
No, I don't know where he is. It's like a
You're kidding me.
a terrible bear outfit, but yeah, he's hit it.
You're actually
So funny. I literally saw him walking into that RV right there. He told me he was taking a dump.
Yeah, in the middle of the
Alright, let's try to find him.
Yeah, dude. I don't know. That'd be kind of sick, though. Oh, what? Oh, shit. Oh. Hey!
What the fuck is that?
I needed some. What? Oh. Throw it up. Oh, yeah! That's all he was.